This EFT is going to be about your worthiness, your self-concept, and you manifesting in anything you fucking want because that's what you deserve. So, follow along. You can say it out loud, or you can listen to me, or you can say it internally. I don't care, whatever you want to do. We start with a karate chops. I am so fucking successful. I just have that rich bitch energy. I have that magnetic energy. I have the type of aura that fills up a room. And I know this. I know that I can have anything that I want. And I know that I deserve the world. The universe loves to treat me like a princess. The universe is obsessed with me. It's obsessed with sending me what I want. And I am obsessed with the version of me who has everything that they want. I'm obsessed with this magnetic version of me. It feels so fun to be this version of me right now. And even on the days where I don't feel like it, I'm still that bitch. It's still on its way to me. Because no mood, no little emotion is going to stop my manifestation. Are you joking? It's on its way to me. Why would the universe stop there? It wouldn't. I am bigger than my emotions. I am stronger than any mood that takes me. Because I am a powerful manifester. I'm so powerful at manifesting. I don't chase. I attract. Anything I want wants me more. Anything that I'm attracting in is also seeking me. Like the things that I want are seeking me. I don't even have to try anymore. Everything I want just comes naturally. And my manifestations happen every single day. And I know the thing that I want right now is on its way to me. And it can happen any day now. I am so powerful that the thing I want, the thing I'm trying to manifest, it could happen today. And I am ready for my manifestation to happen today. My heart is wide open to receiving all of my blessings today. My energy is in a place to receive all of my manifestations today. I know that if my manifestation happened today, I would keep it. I could maintain it. Because I know I deserve it. I know that I am so worthy of everything that I want. Whether I feel like it or not, I am always worthy. Because that's just how my life gets to be. I am choosing for manifestation to be easy. I am choosing for my desires to happen to me. I am choosing for my desires to fly my way. I'm choosing that the universe is going to give me even more than what I've asked for. Because that's the energy I'm living in every single day. And I'm committed to this. So I'm going to keep my thoughts, my energy, my vibration, my frequency in alignment with what I want. I will find the routine that suits me best, and I will stick to it every single day. because I know that's how you create the new self-concept. You repeat it enough until it sticks. So every day I'm going to remind myself that I am that bitch. That I deserve the world. That everything I want is on its way to me. That manifestation is so easy for me. That I am gorgeous. Like, I am gorgeous. That I am so magnetic. That my aura is so radiant. My energy is God-given. I am naturally so attractive. And my life just keeps getting better and better. The universe keeps showing me how good it gets. In body, mind, and spirit. Drop your arms, let them hang heavy. Breathe in. And release. I felt really sassy doing that. I hope you did too. Please come back to this whenever you need that little confidence boost, whenever you want to get ready for the day, or this would be perfect if you're going on a night out and you want that energy. I've got you, babes. Mwah. See you later. Love you.